Happy spring, guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Tawana, and on my channel, I share home decorating, cleaning motivation, and organization videos. If that is content that you would love to see, please stay and subscribe and join the family. I hope you guys are enjoying your spring. In today's video, we are refreshing the linen closet and refreshing the space behind me, which is my laundry area. I will also be restocking some laundry products. But before we jump into today's video, I do have a small Target haul. I did recently stop by Target to pick up some items. I do have some new cleaning products that I'll be trying out in the next cleaning video, which are the pink stuff products and also the Clorox Sentiva, hope I'm saying that right, products. I will be trying those products out. So if you have tried out the products that I'll be sharing with you on today, let me know in the comments. Show your girls some love by engaging with me in the comments. I would greatly appreciate it. So without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. Here are the new cleaning products. When you spend $50 in household essentials at Target, you get a $15 gift card. So here I have the Clorox Sentiva multi-surface cleaner, the Pink Stuff Miracle Cream Cleaner, the Pink Stuff the cleaning paste, and the Pink Stuff Oxy Stain Remover, and the Clorox Sentiva Scented Bleach. I also have my favorite Downy Unstoppables. I love these. So let's get into today's video, guys. So the next item I'll be showing are the Room Essentials Everyday Bath Towels. I have it in the charcoal gray with the white lining. These are super soft. I have a total of 3. It's just my husband and I, so we don't need a whole lot of towels. So I have a total of 3. And I also have it in the black and white. Love this. Super soft. So I did pick up some washcloths. So these are the Room Essential white washcloths. I have 2 packs of these that come in a total of 6. And I also have it in the beige tone. You guys, I'm a very neutral girl. While at Target, I did come across these glass canisters with the bunny ears. Love these. They were $5 each. I have a total of 2. So if you would like to get these cuties. So yeah. So let's wipe down the wash and dryer area. I'm going to wipe it down with my favorite pond saw, you guys, the original pond saw. And then I'm going to restock my Downy Scent Beads and my Tide Pods. So let's get into it. Welcome to my laundry area, guys. So the peel and stick wallpaper is from Amazon. The gold iron holder is from Ross. I spray painted gold. Now the artificial portrait plant is from Family Dollar, and the gold and white ceramic decorative pieces are from Ross. Now the handheld steamer is from Walmart. So this is my laundry area. I recently gave it a makeover. I still want to do some things like cover up the gas pipe and also replace the covers on the outlet. So on the shelf up top, I just have some paper towels. This is where my extra toilet paper goes, and then a couple packages of toilet paper. So we're going to wipe this area down and get it all clean. I did clean out the lint holder. So let's put the new towels and washcloths in the wash, get them washed and folded and put away in the linen closet. Next, we are going to style the top of the dryer. I have placed down this Lazy Susan marble stand. It has the gold trim. You guys, this is great quality, heavy. It is from Ross for $14.99. On top of the Lazy Susan, I'm going to place this matte black ginger jar. It is from Wayfair. I believe I paid $25.99, I believe. Now inside I have some eucalyptus stems that are from Ross, and the pack was $6.99. Super, super cute. So here is the final look of the laundry closet. So on top of the wash machine are the 2 laundry canisters with my Unstoppable Downy beads and my Tide Downy Power Pods. And on the dryer is the Lazy Susan, and then also the ginger jar and a candle. And this actually came, the scooper actually came with this jar. So this is how it turned out, you guys. This is how I normally keep it. I don't like to put these 2 canisters on top of the shelf because the product inside can get very heavy, and I'm not sure if this shelf can actually hold the both of them. So I keep the house on top of the wash machine. Here is the linen closet, you guys. I did put down some peel and stick wallpaper here. So this is the linen closet. I'm going to show you the items that I'll be using in today's video. So here are the new towels. I've had here some towelettes, some Q-tips, and cotton rounds. I have my Dove soap in these pull-out drawers, clear containers, and the Kleenex containers as well. The Kleenex containers came from Target. Here are the new towels, and these are towels I already had. I'm going to keep these. I'm not ready to purge these just yet. And here is my basket of toilet paper and also the new washcloths. So we're going to place these items in the linen closet. Now, I have 3 of these containers here. They are from Amazon. We'll link them in the description of the video. I'm not sure what to put in these containers just yet, but hopefully I'll find something that fits in them soon. So I'm going in with the basket of washcloths. And then I'll be going in with the new towels. If you are new here, welcome. If you have subscribed to the channel, hey girl, hey, welcome back to a new video. You already know how I feel about you. So please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. So you guys, I'm going to finish this up and then I'll be back to show you the reveal. Ta-da! So the linen closet is done, you guys. On the first shelf, I have my humidifier, my Kleenex, and then on the second shelf, I have my Head and Shoulders conditioner, some maxi pads and penny liners, and on the third shelf, I have the new bath towels. On the fourth shelf, I have some basic white towels I already had, and then my basket of washcloths. But I'm thinking about switching out the basket when I find something that I really like. On the fifth shelf, I have my bath soap and my facial items. And then on the floor of the linen closet, I have my basket of toilet paper. So let me know what you guys think of this new and refreshed linen closet organization